Hi and welcome! We are moving on to the first exercise, which introduces the back float. It's a fundamental step for later backstroke practice. The goal is to learn how to float in 3 easy steps. Step 1. The child stands in shallow water with arms extended to the sides. The water should be about hip deep. Step 2. They gently push off the bottom with both feet at the same time, leaning backwards. Step 3. The arms remain stretched out to the sides and the child holds his floating position for about 5 seconds. You can also simply lean back and lift your legs from the bottom without a push-off. For this and every upcoming back exercise, 3 things are very important. The child should look straight up at the ceiling, tuck the chin back and press the hips up. These 3 elements are closely connected. As soon as the chin drops down, the hips will sink, and the floating on the back becomes impossible. But if all 3 components are in place, the exercise becomes much easier. This requires trust in the water's buoyancy. On Swimy.org, we offer tips on building that trust, along with other preparatory exercises. You'll also find a structured 10-week plan that shows you how to teach your child how to swim. You can find a link in the video description. Please share this video and subscribe to our channel if you want to see more like this. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video.